First of all, I want to introduce myself, and I am Abubacarr S. Camara. I'm the Director General of the Gambia Tourism Board. I am here to attend the World Travel Market because we want to be in the race, and we want to keep competing with other destinations. One of the reasons why we have a stand is because we want to meet with our partners, want to meet with tour operators and businesses that are involved in tourism and hospitality so that we can discuss about the way forward for Destination Gambia. The feedback has been very great. As we speak, we have spoken to about some tour operators as well as airline operators, and we have also had a lot of visitors from PR and marketing firms who have expressed interest to work with us. As we speak, we have the OIC, which is a new conference center that can host hundreds of participants when they want to do workshops or when they want to do conferences worldwide. So it's one of the newest center, and we can definitely host what is called MICE tourism. We are also onto other niche market. As you know, that Gambia is blessed with a lot of nature, especially when you talk about birds. We have over 570 birds countrywide that are a good attraction for tourists that are birdwatchers. We had also the River Gambia, which is a host to a lot of nature, example hippos, dolphins, etc., etc. And again, we have a lot of birds that are also flying along the River Gambia. So that is something that we can really sell as a country.